Racks and racks stuck together. Sit red talk to the devil. Rosetta Stone forever. High yellow, canary yellow.
Back with the piece of junk for another video. But if you didn't see, fortunately in the last video we found that we had to remove the head off of the M55 for low compression misfiring on cylinder 1 and 2. Fortunately we found out reviewing that head that the head was perfectly fine, nothing was wrong. So now we are going to have to remove the block of the motor, drop the transmission and pull it out, investigate what is going on with the cylinders in there now, maybe something with a piston ring, hopefully. Couldn't really tell any signs on the walls, nothing looked too scratched or messed up. We're gonna pop up his channel and Instagram right here. Shout out to the GOAT, Mr. Scrappy, helping me out get this thing right. But I think from the car being all the way down since late October, almost 5 to 6 months, with the oil just drained all the way down from the motor to the oil pan, the machine shop said that definitely could have been a dry start and caused the piston ring and caused like a piston ring to crack or mess up in the walls, to have a scratch or something on it to cause low compression and air to leak through. We're gonna figure out what it is in this video. Comment below what y'all think it is.
Starter out, so now we can go ahead and take the torque converter bolts out.
One and 2 showing low compression only. Only thing we have left is to take off these engine mount bolts on each side. We have a few engine bolts to go ahead and remove as well. Let's get this piece of junk out. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video to see what the issue was for the N55 having low compression.
Alright, what's up guys? I'm the boy, Scrap. In the shop we got the motor out, you know. So what's next, my guy? What you think? What you think? We gotta get this on the engine stand. We're gonna take the bottom off, take the oil pan off, and then we could go through it, we can see what's going on. We might drop these 2 cylinders first, just to see what's going on. Then we can see all that's going on from there. That's it. My name is boy Scrap. Gonna check out GOOSE Garage coming soon. Right now it's Pro Tunes at YouTube and Instagram. Check your boy out.
We'll link his channel, Instagram in the description. He's gonna get the M55 right, y'all. For anyone else that's not into BMWs, if you're into Audis or Volkswagens, he does specialize in that as well. So again, make sure to check him out. Scrappy, GOAT. everyone saying, I wish I had a big turbo M55. I bet you're not saying that now. We got the engine out, so we're gonna drop the oil pan, get all the oil drained out the engine. We're gonna start messing with the pistons and everything to figure out what the issue was. Cylinder 2, right?
Yeah.
So we just didn't record it, but we just took out cylinder 2, and the piston rings seem to look good, sadly. Try to get an angle for y'all. I was hoping it would be the piston ring.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come
I know that makes no sense, because how could we be having low compression only on the first 2 cylinders if the piston rings, the piston, the rod, the head gasket, valves, everything came back correct. So it's still a mystery again. I mean, all the way from the misfire, checking everything in the world out for this car. Now, fucking for the back with another wild goose chase on another misfire from low compression. We don't know what's causing it. After ripping out the whole motor and the rod, we do not know what the issue is yet. On the screen before and in the description, Scrappy, my motor specialist, he will be here tomorrow or later this week, and we're gonna wait to take out that next rod and just get his opinion on that first one over here. You've been around from the beginning of the big turbo on the F30. You know how long of a process this has been to get the car running right, and now how long of a process it has been to get the car just running back to stock to sell it. All started from bad mechanic work, man. Split performance has set me down the worst path ever just to get this car back running, and now more and more issues have came from this. Like I was saying though, in the last video for the F30, we got the head checked out and came back completely good, and we decided to just go ahead and pull the rest of the block out, and that's what we did. We still got no idea what could be causing that low compression, but we're gonna take out that next cylinder in the next video, or later in this video. I wanna go ahead and get a video up because I did miss 2 weeks staying so busy with these two cars, and title should arrive for the N54. For the other viewers that know about my N54, we will be throwing a single turbo on my $1,000 BMW, this damn moth. But y'all already know, like, comment, subscribe, all that cringy YouTuber shit. Stay tuned for real if y'all want to see what the issue was, and I want y'all to comment, what do you think the issue was causing low compression? Since we don't see any signs, head gasket, the head, valves, cams, rods, pistons, rod bearings, everything looks great. So comment below what else you think it could be causing low compression. Until the next N55 video, make sure y'all put on post notifications and not miss it. Keep supporting the channel so I can keep making more videos like this for y'all, and we'll see y'all in the next one.
Gotta find my joint up on this bitch.